Tana AI review. Let's get started. So, what is Tana? Tana is a web-based application that integrates outlining, tagging, and AI capabilities to help users organize information efficiently. Its standout features include super tags, AI integration, and dynamic views. Now let's talk about its pros. So first, it offers advanced organization. So the super tags and dynamic views allow for intricate data structuring and beneficial for complex projects. It also has AI features, which has AI generated summaries, which can also enhance productivity. And lastly, it has customization, which is highly adaptable to individual workflows, especially for users willing to invest time in the setup. Now, let's talk about its cons though. So first, it is and has a steep learning curve, so it's not that easy to use for new beginners. And it also has a limited mobile support. It lacks a fully functional mobile app. And the pricing, well, it offers unlimited storage of 0.5 GB and the paid plan starts at $18 per month, which may be more expensive for people. And lastly, it has AI limitations, so some users find the AI features, like the chat function, less effective compared to the standalone AI tools. So in conclusion, is it worth it? Is Tana AI worth it? Well, yes, if you're power users seeking a highly customizable, AI integrated workplace and are comfortable navigating complex setups. And no, if you prefer a straightforward, user-friendly note-taking app or require robust mobile access.